Hey, how you doing? So I ran into a problem while I was out on the road. I've been on the road for over a year, and my teeth didn't feel good. They started falling backwards, and I went into a dentist, and they were like, "We got to pull those. Your bone's deteriorating. It's all infected." They did all that, and then they were like, "So we need to fix it. This is what it's going to cost. First, you're going to need a bone graft, and then you're going to need a post, and then an implant. Then you're going to need a post, and then you're going to need new teeth. All total should be about $10,000. Well, I don't have $10,000. I don't have insurance. I can't do it." So we drove away, and it's been months. And somewhere along the line, my wife, literally a few weeks ago, this ad for Pop On Veneers comes up on her Facebook page, and we were like, "Wow, maybe we could do that." And man, I'm so glad we did. Within days, we had the impression kits. Those were super easy to use. They kept me updated. Hey, we received them. They look good. We'll get on it. Hey, we packaged them. Boom, we've sent them. This is when you should get them. Like, they just kept me updated all along the way. And then they came in this little blue container with a mirror. And boom, this is it. Here you go in. And that's it. I have teeth. I have bottom teeth. And when I talk, you can see, right? It looks like I have teeth on the bottom of my face, not a big gaping hole. So I really recommend Pop On Veneers. I think they're super easy, way less than $10,000. And I think, there's nothing about them that I can't recommend. So have yourself a good day and have yourself a fabulous smile. Thank you to Pop On Veneers.